I'm in this picture, Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. Marshall Falk on the roster with all-star.
YouTube, we are here. J.Cole, little surprise, a little 4-track surprise, birthday blizzard. If you're new here, hit the like, hit the subs. You know what we do. We're here with another one. Let's react to this one. J.Cole, we're gearing up for something special in hip-hop right now. Niggas doubt you. Niggas think you're a punk, you're soft. Prove them wrong. Prove them wrong. Let's go. Track 1. Bronx Zoo Freestyle.
Yeah, DJ Clue, to the storm. We gonna set this shit off. You know how we do, Word.
I might? Fuck, let's see.
In the Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wild lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas all lame. Came up from the mud puddles, then it changed. Living ghetto fab like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things.
Yeah.
When it was rapping, the ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying.
Yes!
Oh man, your name's a big conversation. Max deals for Luca dabbing and hating. Though nowadays you can make a grip commentating if you master 2 skills, either dick riding or hating. Just look around, the hating and the dick riding is blatant. Your ticket to finally live out of her basement was found in one magical word, and it's engagement. And nothing brings that like drama. You might wanna. Personally, I don't write fake commas.
Yes!
Draws from pictures to pin draws to fall off. They wanna know if this is the end all, be all to this rap game. He's trained in CPR. I'm a new breed for those that wonder who he think he is. That thunder at night to wake up this sleepy heads. Just when you thought that your boy was completely dead, boom, walked out that tomb like Matthew said.
Yes!
The whole game on the shoulders, not even straining or hold it. I can spin around my fingers and mold it. When I write, it's like I'm guided by the angels. I notice it's like the ghost of critic came in and wrote it.
Okay.
First name Jermaine and it's goated. Never once his fame and a motive. Far from it, respect first. Next up, my net worth. The best verse be the nigga that should live in a Bronx Zoo. I storm through on some King Kong shit. Long ding dong shit. Pause. I rinsed off the sauce, I got lost in all this false flaws and right. I ain't rapping like I'm Charleston White. Get off the right as the authors. It's hard to write as hard as the God does. Y'all tallest to me. Stop bothering me. Young simple, just through some hate my way, but only thing that they should say is Cole, you like a father to me. The top ain't really what I thought it would be, and so I jumped off and landed back at the bottom at a level where I wasn't regarded as much. Just to climb past them again and tell them keep up. I love it. Truly, I'm aging backwards. In the sandboxes I play with trap decades, pop like Asian rappers. The
Yes.
crazy afros, piercing through front door, holes in a baby mama's favorite bathroom. They got no one was home. The zone might wake up at 4 in the morning, start mourning alone, discover the snakes, pull up base and going alone, creep to your room, put 4 in your dome. If your girl scream, tell the queen, bit your tone.
Yes!
Ain't no thing, go on your phone.
Yes!
On IG, are you top C? The prodigy dropped me way out of the top 3. No problem, won't probably best when they doubt me. Watch me.
What bird this? Rich, what?
To the storm.
Just apology, you got throughout this whole shit. I seen on, I ain't gonna lie, I seen some shit on X. Yo, I'm not gonna lie though. I think Bronx Zoo, it was cute. All right, I think a little missteps on the flows. You know, the flow kind of he did a little. Okay, let me grab back. You know what I mean? But like he was talking, J.Cole, I'm on your ass, my nigga. Track 2, Golden Goose Freestyle. Let's go.
DJ Clue, to the storm. And you know what?
Cold of truth, got they throat and nuisance. Grip never left, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fucks, I won't stop to the boats and cruise ship. So the whole world knows who got the gold. It's only thin will I split like I co-produced it.
Okay.
Now the rappers make dough and use it for crumbs. Dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but I own the music. Best nigga still breathing, leaving no confusion.
Yes.
On every nigga song, abuse it. Catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't use it.
Yes.
If I said it, then I wrote it stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but ain't no Converses. Nah, girl, they golden gooses. A nice fellow, but the flows is and the culprits 2-6 for the closest you get to hope is hope. Roll cold to see more beef than the folks at Roof Chris. Teaching how to fish, and the lesson is this: without a pole, you're useless. Catch my drip.
Yeah.
Swift on my toes, you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this. Can I kick it like they wrote for Q-Tip? Sure, but just know we don't open doors for Cupid.
Yes.
Or leave windows cracked. They been known that. Why these niggas like a little known fact. They lack focus and they pause is putrid. Poison of all different sorts they using. If the stream say you're winning while your tours is the math ain't math, then of course you're juicing. That mean the bots is boosting. Tough guy.
I think that this is where we get the bots and tour. Is this a diss for J. Cole? I mean, not J. Cole. Was that a shot to Drake? Was that a shot to Drake? Was that? Hold on. Run it back. Yo, nigga, can I not run this back? Can I not run this back?
J.Cole, to the store.
It won't let me go back.
Cold the truth, got they throw the nuisance. Ever letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Yachts, I won't stop till the boats are cruise ship. So the whole world knows we got the gold of dicks.
Yes.
Only then will I split like I co-produced it. A lot of rappers make dough and be pros it for crumbs. Dumb niggas so they sold illusion. Universal distribution, but on the music. Best niggas still breathing, leaving no confusion. Hop on every nigga song, but they catch bodies for my own amusement. Niggas cheating and I won't excuse it.
Go.
If I said I wrote it stupid. I'm a star like the logo on my shoes, but these ain't no Converse, girl, they golden gooses. A nice fellow, but the flows is ruthless. It's 2-6 for the closest you get to
Nigga, not
hopeless.
losing sleep. No sleep.
Beef than the folks at Roof Chris. Teach a man how to fish, and then it's this without a pole, you're useless. Catch my drift. Swift toes you doofus. And that's why the hoes that choose this, they like, can I kick it? They roll for Q-Tip. Sure, but just know, baby, we don't open doors for Cuba. Or leave windows cracked, they been known that. I'm worldwide, these niggas like a little lack. They lack focus and they pause is putrid.
Right here.
Poison of all difference they using. If the stream say you're winning while your tours is losing. The math ain't math, then of course you're that mean the bots is boosting. Cut the tough guy image, it is not conducive to breathing. Don't gamble with your...
Come on! Cut the tough guy image. What are we doing?
Life, cause the ops is cruising. Word to Mike Vick, your dog might get shot for losing. And I don't like those eyes, so I stay in my lane. Despite every bit of dirt thrown my way, never be a stain on my name. That's why I walk around dolly as if ain't nothing changed. Without it in my frame, niggas can never know the pain that you mean. But I can't name a thing that I ain't in.
Yes.
I despise my celebrity, I ain't in the fame. Don't be silly, want the chili. Sim Usher rain when he sang in the rain. Ain't money bring respect in this game. Ain't it a shame? Things in a change.
Man, that flow nasty. Alright, that's track 2. We already almost done here. I feel like it's just overall state of rap. Something similar in 1985. Okay. We might have to rewind back to 1985, my nigga, no cap. Let's go. Track 3, Winter Storm Freestyle. Let's go.
New York City. New York.
Okay, bro, listen. You're not gonna rap on a Who Shot Your Beat and not talk shit to niggas now. J. Cole, if we get into this beat and you're not talking spicy, you flopped. It's only right. Who shot ya? Separate the weak from the... Oh my God. Rest in peace, Biggie Smalls. Hold on, let me run back Winter Storm. Let's go, Winter Storm, track 3.
New York City. The city is crazy outside right now. It's cold. Yeah, yo, scrap everything I was working on prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a new agenda, ain't trying to keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lloyd Harvey, how I ran through them. Now I'm back for the winter, trying to outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a boo-boo wealth. I grew up in the heat of the south, you could melt, cause the summer humidity, it's a stupidity. Mean say I'm humble, but trust is humilities. From witnessing violence, turned off utilities. No man that's rhyming can match my fluidity. I'm Mike Jordan Edwards, nigga, you kidding me? J.Cole gets old, but grows new abilities. You didn't know with Goku agility. Come witness perfection. These niggas perplexing like witness action. Get whole new identities.
Yes!
Then start rapping, but what happened to the real you? I get self-conscious around real gangsters, and I still do. Find peace with the audience you appeal to. Be yourself, living your truth. Niggas will feel you. Embrace hunger. What'll make you stronger will keep the pain and build you. Gotta heal you. Don't make your moves off a dollar bill. It's not as fail-proof. Hey, following your heart that way. Long as you have faith, the path pays tenfold. Me, I chose over class A tempos.
Yes!
Back when rappers still was trying to pass they demos. To A&R, I was Devin Sally Mae, not paying off debts through the toughest alleyways. We were prayed at us, were protected by the Lord. That's what I witnessed. Had all my niggas staying silent like that's none of our business. I'm a desperate need of commas like a run-on sentence. Shit. Like a runner, so trying to see greener pastures, cause preteens are blasters. Not a lot of talking, but the gun winded. No strap on my body, I'm an unarmed menace.
Okay.
I'm an unarmed menace. Yo, 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 yo.
Hey, this was when J. Cole in pocket, it could get blurry. It could get very blurry. But yo, am I tripping? So, like, yo, I think Ghost might be right. Something's not sitting well with me. Like, when he does a jab, it doesn't sit well because he left the battle. It's really fucking me up. Like, I'm trying to be like, when he throws the jabs, I'm like, yo, shit, fuck, I don't know if I'm feeling it. Like, I'm telling you, bro, like, nigga, I don't know what you shooting at. His rapping ability is, I was telling nigga, I think J. Cole's one of the best rhymers we have heard in, to me, personally, my opinion, ever. I think when this nigga rhymes, pocket is, like, you know what I mean? Like, he really in there. But yo, so like, this is what we're talking about right now. Listen to this J. Cole shit. When he takes shots, it fucks me up because he left the battle.
Yeah, that's what I feel. Like, once you apologize, any sort of bravado, we're looking at like, I don't know, man. Like, why couldn't you just, like, you remember when J. Cole went off at Lil Pump? We're all like, yeah, that's how you stand for hip hop. Okay, you go off on Lil Pump, and then you have a guy, Kendrick, 5'5", whatever, dissing you. I love Kendrick, dissing you, and then you apologize on stage. So you go at the Lil Pump guy for not really doing anything to you, he just sucks at rap. But then with Kendrick, who is your peer, who is your colleague, who is like your, you know, mano to mano, you apologize on stage. Like for what? And so for me with J. Cole, like, I guess when it comes to bravado, when it comes to like rhyming, I'm cool with it. But any sort of tough talk, I'm just like, I don't know, man.
That's what I feel.
You know what I mean?
I
Like,
feel
you lost it.
Yeah. Track 4, 99 build, freestyle. Let's go.
DJ Clue, to the store, nigga.
This track better make me puke. Let's see.
I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, said he gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse in a hearse. It's so loud, the rigor mortis on a mortal reverse. These niggas reckless trying to disrespect the Lord of the church. Get disconnected from your source just like a quarter to birth. From an alternate dimension, I got lost inside, walk around and looking for a portal that works. But all of the perks around me make it harder to search. The tormented poet, I know I'm making more than I'm worth. At one time, my neck and wrist was happening. So you think I'm getting dues deported to a port of the turf? These niggas swear they doing numbers, but it's more to the story. You bust it down, it's by the streams and kids ordering merch. When niggas hate us, live in the form of a curse. I've been anointed since a quarter, water slaughter my thirst. All birds wanna swallow my girth, I'm off the market. If life was truly a movie, that is the art department. The only way of describing this way that I'm rhyming is picture Jeffrey Dahmer walking a carcass across the carpet. The Marshall Falk of the roster with all-star.
Yo.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
Wait, yo, there's an emoji of you?
Yeah. He blacking.
Yo, let's keep it a buck though. Like, J. Cole's 101 when it comes to rhyming.
Oh my
God.
God.
I think he can rhyme, bro.
Oh my God. The tears are coming, bro. He is spitting.
The thing
Outside of the music, I'm as cool as your water faucet. I stayed self, I ain't talking of y'all. Taught me not to have a heart-to-heart with them. They all too heartless. Like the skeletons and these fellas locked in the closet. From the jump, cause it felt too awkward around it. I fell back. My dog and pusher Hellcats would take it from the beginning. I wonder how could I die. The beef ain't real, so it ain't no reason to squash it. The game ain't so it's easy for me to pause it with one verse. I disassemble narrative theories get killed. The murder weapon with superior skill. Selling drugs in stereo, sincerely it feels like overdosing off a myriad of this pills. You're not alone when you experience ethereal thrills. Even niggas burning in hell when they hear me get chills. I'm a 99 bill, a veil signing mighty fine deals. The shares total was 95 mil. So why do I still grind like I'm trying to retire? My mom's out post office. From St. John's to the league like I'm Mohawkless. I lit a whole cartridge on foes who wholeheartedly oppose the chosen one. Rose like the golden sun. In the morning to give light to even those that raised from the flows. Radiate the globe, melting snow on this frozen tundra. Known as the rap game that's been overcome with loads of my plans. Based on randomly dissing and hating on the next man. I understand, imagine working hard as you can. On this album you plan, hoping to change your brand.
Yes.
But as soon as you drop it, the world's ignoring again. Got you to rewind till you start to notice the trend. Drama enhances the interrupts and fans and popping the channel. So you wanna hop on a bed when I battle rapping and throwing shots at a jam. I had my chance, but I dropped it, which been my only options to do the opposite. Then lead with the skill, nigga. Pop is back, JID should chop platinum. Anything less that means y'all capping.
Yes.
Fall off the dropping 2-6, stop asking. I wanna thank God, cause I almost lost passion. Thought that I was finished, then it all started crashing. Made me remember why niggas start rapping. I'm pissed cause the Knicks could've hired Mark Jackson. I'm hyped, my Jordan just start broadcasting. And all the old rappers get bags by casting. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Hip hop,
Okay.
hip hop, hip hop.
I like this shit. I like this.
This is tough. This is tough. That is the best record. This is the best
That shit
record.
hard.
Oh my god. He did the beat just that. Amazing rapper, man. Holy smokes.
Yo, man.
That was the best record. Easily the best record from that tape.
nigga can rhyme his ass off.
But yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If we have to rate this J. Cole tape though, I'm gonna give it respectfully. I think like I think an 8.1 is fair. I feel like the 99 Bill Freestyle was his best record, but I think an 8.1 is fair. That's what I'm gonna give it. It's not a bad record. Not a bad record, not a bad tape.
I your balls.